Alright guys, welcome to M Breaks. This is break number 708, 2021 Absolute Football. And I'll give it another couple minutes for people to find the live, and then we'll do a roll call and we'll get the break in. All right, Jeff's in the house. Want to pull some Steelers. What's up, Travis? We just pulled a nice silver Trey Lance variation in that mixer break. All right, guys, so tonight it's pretty simple. We have an absolute football mixer. So we have 2 of the value cello packs, 2 of the hangers, 2 blasters, and 2 mega boxes. And the mega should have an autograph and a mem card on average. So hopefully we'll pull 2 autos and maybe a KABOOM, man. We'll see. So it'd be pretty sweet if we pulled one. So roll call. Andrew has the Chiefs. Antonio has the Cardinals. Ben has the Seahawks. Brandon has the Colts. Chris has the Bears. Dale has the Jets. James has the Lions. Jared has the Falcons. Jeff Smith has the Steelers. Jeffrey Ferraro has the Bills, Chargers, Bucks, Bengals, and Patriots. So thank you, Jeff. Jeffrey Jones has the Broncos and the Jags. John has Cowboys, Packers, Rams, and Titans. Catherine has the Ravens. Mans has the Dolphins. Mike has the Eagles. Nick has the Niners. Oscar has Vikings, Saints, and Giants. And Paul has the Texans. So, without any ado, let's get going. I am by myself, so I'll only be top loading the big hits on camera, but we will penny sleeve all the rookies before we ship. So let's see, we got Chaz Surratt, Kyle Trask, Jamin Davis, Levi O, Jalen Darden, Rondale Moore, Gary Brightwell, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Michael Strachan. We've got Russ Wilson, green parallel. Joe Mixon on the parallel. Jacob Harris on the rookie parallel to the Rams. Ian Book, introductions rookie. Justin Fields by storm. And Kenny Galladay, Devontae Parker, Emmanuel Sanders, TJ Watt, Jerry Jeudy, and Carson Wentz. Taysom Hill, David Montgomery, Debo, Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Phillip Lindsay, Jonathan Taylor, Derek Carr, Cam Newton. Parallels, we have James Robinson and Terry McLaurin. Then our rookie parallels, Gary Brightwell, Darius Leonard, Unsung Heroes, Kyle Pitts on the introductions, Brandon Stevens, Adafi Owa, Najee Harris, Chuba Hubbard, Joe Tryon, and Greg Rousseau. So not a bad little prequel with our fat packs there. Let's open a couple hangers. Hopefully the hangers have bangers. Jonnu Smith, DK Metcalf, T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, Aaron Jones, Miles Sanders, Calvin Ridley, Devontae Adams, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Big Ben, Drew Lock, Jalen Hurts, Matt Ryan, Quinnen Williams, Debo, Teddy Bridgewater, Ryan Tannehill, Phillip Lindsay, Jonathan Taylor, and then we have something shiny. It's one of those red and blue foil parallels. That's Jalen Hurts. Nice card there. A little short print. Von Miller on the parallel. Michael Pittman on the blue parallel. And Michael Thomas on the blue parallel. And we have Ian Book, blue parallel rookie. Peyton Turner, blue parallel. Zeke Elliott, stargazing. Fred Warner, unsung. Zach Wilson on the introductions. Joseph Osai. Tutu Atwell. Cornell Powell. Elijah Vera Tucker. Levi O. Kelvin Joseph. Marquez Stevenson. Micah Parsons. There we go. Rondale Moore, Hunter Long, Greg Rousseau, Devontae Smith, Javon Holland, Davis Mills, Chris Evans, Ian Book, Boogie Basham, here we go, Mac Jones, Kylan Hill, De'Ami Brown, Trey McKitty, and Kenneth Gainwell. Get Mr. Hurts on a little board all by himself. All right, hanger number 2. DJ Moore, Derrick Henry, Brandon Cooks, JJ Watt, Darren Waller, Justin Tucker, Corey Davis, Nick Chubb, Aaron Donald, James Robinson, Travis Kelce, Dalvin Cook, Daniel Jones, Tua, Josh Allen, Mike Evans, Cam Newton, CeeDee Lamb, DeAndre Swift, Alvin Kamara, Andy Dalton, and Jimmy G. Our parallels, we have Saquon Barkley on the blue parallel, Will Fuller, and Stephon Diggs. Panay Sewell is our blue parallel rookie, along with Dwayne Eskridge. And there's a Trey Lance by Storm, rookie insert. DeAndre Hopkins, red zone. Derrick Henry, stargazing. Some more rookies, Michael Carter, Frank Darby, Caleb Farley, Zach Wilson, JOK, Eric Stokes, Kene Nwangwu, Jared Dokes, J.C. Horn. There we go, Mr. Chase. Patrick Jones, Asante Samuel, Ramondre Stevenson, Ernest Jones, Tyson Campbell, Jalen Phillips, Travis Etienne, Jamar Jefferson, Chauncey Golston, and Kwity Paye. We will have a little recap at the end, so the big rookies, we'll run through them, see, who hit, who didn't. And of course, any short prints or anything cool like that, we'll run through that too. If you haven't already, please like us and follow us on Facebook. We don't spam. We use 2 different eBay handles, me and a buddy of mine. And we do football breaks, and we do a lot of Bowman baseball, stuff like that. But we will not solicit on our Facebook. All we do is remind people of when we break and throw links up to our auctions, basically. So you'll be able to stay in the know. All right, blaster number 1. Jalen Darden, Azeez Ojulari, Pat Freiermuth, Justin Herbert stargazing, Baker Mayfield, Matt Stafford, DJ Chark, and Chase Young. Gary Brightwell, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Michael Strachan, Elijah Molden, Jason Kelce, Joe Burrow, A.J. Brown, Randall Cobb. Kyle Pitts, Nick Bolton, Terrace Marshall, Kadarius Toney, introductions, Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, Jonnu Smith, and DK Metcalf. Kelvin Joseph, Marquez Stevenson, Micah Parsons, Rondale Moore, Joe Burrow on the green parallel, T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, and Aaron Jones. Hunter Long, Dez Fitzpatrick, Jalen Camp, Devontae Smith by Storm, Nick Bosa, DJ Moore, Derrick Henry, and Brandon Cooks. Sean Wade, There we go. Trey Lance, rookie. Joseph Osai, Tutu Atwell, and Greg Newsome on the green parallel. J.J. Watt, Darren Waller, and Hunter Henry. 2 packs to go in blaster number 1. Cornell Powell, Elijah Vera Tucker, and Levi O. Travis Kelce, red zone. Russell Wilson, Joe Mixon, Patrick Mahomes, TJ Hawkinson, and Kid Report. All right, last pack. Javonte Williams, Seth Williams, Michael Carter, Frank Darby, A.J. Brown, green, Taysom Hill, David Montgomery, and Debo. So no KABOOM hiding in that one. All right, let's do another blaster, and then we'll end with our 2 mega boxes. These mega boxes can be fun. I think I hit earlier this year, we hit, I want to say a Trey Lance auto out of 50, I think, out of one of those. It's pretty cool. Well, we always got the chance of a KABOOM in these blasters. Greg Newsome, Barmore, Elijah Moore, Julio Jones, Stargazing, CeeDee Lamb, DeAndre Swift, Alvin Kamara, and Andy Dalton. You guys, if anybody's here for the Mega Box Mixer, number 709, that's going to go next. So we're probably running about 10 minutes late on that. Brevin Jordan, Anthony Schwartz, Shi Smith, Patrick Surtain, Michael Thomas, red zone, Bobby Wagner, Jimmy G, Christian McCaffrey, and Juju. There we go. Trevor Lawrence, Kadarius Toney, Larry Roundtree, Trey Lance, introductions, Von Miller, Michael Pittman, Michael Thomas, and Rob Gronkowski. Trey Sermon, Tommy Tremble. Oh my, we have a KABOOM. We have one, dude. All right. Here we go, man. Let's see. Haven't pulled one in quite some time, man. This is awesome. Trey Sermon, Tommy Tremble, Amir Smith-Marset, Jarrett Patterson, and it is Justin Herbert on the KABOOM. Let's go. Going out to Jeff for $5, man. That is $5 well spent, my friend. Oh, my goodness. It's got a ding corner, though. That is a bummer. So, that stinks. Can it... See, this is what I don't understand. So how does this card get dinged in the pack? It's in the middle of the pack. In the middle of the box. The cards around it aren't dinged, but it is dinged. It must have come dinged right off the assembly, I guess. Or however they make these things. But yeah, you definitely got a bad corner. So, I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, you can see it there. Got a bad corner there for sure. But, man, what a card. KABOOM! Wish my boys were in here with me. But they're in bed. They have school. Congrats. Shout out to Jeff F. Man. That bugs me. That corner. Daggone, that thing is chewed up. Come on, Panini. What the heck? Look at it. Looked like somebody took a bite out of it. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Man, the whole thing is chewed up. Man, this side is chewed up too. That's crazy. Man, there's a ding on this side too. Man, this whole card is beat up. I don't know why. Because it definitely wasn't. The cards around it weren't like that. That's a bummer. That is a bummer. Yeah, man, dinged on both sides. And the corner. What the heck? Well, congrats anyway. A tepid congrats just because of the condition of the card. Wow, can't believe we hit one. That is cool. KABOOM. Well, we still got 2 autos to pull. Jalen Hurts, Zeke Elliott, Jared Goff, Patrick Peterson. AO, Rashad Bateman, Demetric Felton, Kellen Mond by storm, Kenny Galladay, Devontae Parker, Emmanuel Sanders, TJ Watt. Nico, Boogie Basham, Mac Jones, Kylan Hill. Ooh, Justin Fields on the green parallel. That's cool. Jerry Jeudy, Carson Wentz, Julio Jones. De'Ami Brown, Trey McKitty, Kenneth Gainwell, Tom Brady, Dak Prescott, Kyle Long, and Justin Jefferson. Last pack of blaster number 2, and then we have our mega boxes. Sage Surratt, Jalen Phillips, Travis Etienne, Jamar Jefferson, Matt Ryan Green, Saquon Barkley, Will Fuller, and Stephon Diggs. All right, let me get some of these pennied up for a recap. All right. Mega box number 1. Could we hit another one, dare I say? Could we hit another KABOOM tonight? That would be epic. All right, so these boxes are supposed to have 1 autograph and 1 mem. All right, let's see what we got. DJ Chark, Chase Young, Joe Burrow, A.J. Brown, Quinnen Williams on the red parallel, Tyson Campbell, red parallel, Jamar Jefferson, Chauncey Golston, Kwity Paye, and Justin Fields. Randall Cobb. Oh, we got, hopefully that's not points, is it? Nope. Cool. I think we have an autograph in this one. Randall Cobb, Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, and a backwards Tylan Wallace. Yes, that's our autograph. And it is, man, nice auto too. It is numbered out of 50. So number 48 out of 50, Tylan Wallace going to the Ravens. Catherine, congrats. Nice hit there. Nice little numbered autograph. Can't be mad at that. Can't be mad at that. Myles Garrett, red. Trevor Lawrence, introductions. Trayvon Moring, Josh Palmer, Pete Werner, and Jacob Harris. Guys, if anybody's here for the Mega Box Mixer, I'm just running a little bit late. Probably 10 more minutes and we'll get that one started. I knew 30 minutes for each break was too ambitious. Jonnu Smith, DK Metcalf, T. Higgins, Tyreek Hill, Travis Kelce on the red, Jalen Waddle on the red, there we go, Brandon Stevens, Odafe Owa, Najee Harris, and Chuba Hubbard. All right, last pack of Mega number 1, then we have one more Mega box, and then we'll have a little recap. Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, I guess that must be our mem card. DJ Moore, our mem card is Nico Collins, the rookie materials to the Texans. Dalvin Cook, red. Najee Harris by storm. Joe Tryon, Greg Rousseau, Devontae Smith, and Javon Holland. All right, last box. Had a numbered auto in the first one. Had a stinking chewed up KABOOM card in our blaster. All right, guys, let's see what this Mega Box has for us. Jonnu Smith. Oh, got another. Here, I'll put this down. That's got our auto in it. We'll save that till the end. A.J. Brown, Randall Cobb, Kyler Murray, Josh Jacobs, Devontae Parker, red. Jared Dokes, red. Kyle Trask, Jamin Davis, Jalen Darden, and Azeez Ojulari. Tyreek Hill, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, DJ Moore, TJ Watt on the red parallel, JC Horn, red, Elijah Molden, Kyle Pitts, Nick Bolton, and Terrace Marshall. So this pack should have a mem card. Feels like it. Derrick Henry, Brandon Cooks, JJ Watt, our mem card. It's T. Higgins. Ball Hogs, T. Higgins going to the Bengals. Jerry Jeudy, red. Dak Prescott, red zone. Kelvin Joseph, Marquez Stevenson, Micah Parsons, and Rondale Moore. Let's see what this auto is. All right, this is our first pack. I had the auto in it, so I'll put it down. This is the last pack of the night for the absolute break. Jonnu Smith, DK Metcalf, T. Higgins. Wow. The Ravens, man. This is our Ravens. These two mega boxes are all Ravens, man. Odafe Owa on the autograph. Not numbered this time, but the Ravens come away with both autographs. Wow. Emmanuel Sanders, Zach Wilson by Storm, Pat Freiermuth, Gary Brightwell, Amon-Ra St. Brown, and Michael Strachan. So, all right, let me sleeve things up real quick, guys, and then we'll run through some of these cards. All right, so we did have two mem cards with this Ball Hogs T. Higgins to the Bengals and this Nico Collins rookie materials to the Texans. These other guys. All right, some of our notable rookies. Micah Parsons, 1, 2, 3 of him. Devontae Smith had the base, 2 base, and 1 by Storm insert. Amon-Ra St. Brown, 3 base. Najee Harris, 2 base and 1 by Storm. Kyle Pitts saw 2 base and 1 introductions. Jamar Chase, saw him once. Jalen Waddell, saw him on the red parallel. Then quarterbacks. Rookie quarterbacks, we had Davis Mills, Justin Fields on the base and the green parallel, and also the by Storm. Zach Wilson, by Storm, base, and introductions. Trey Lance had the introductions, the base, and the by Storm. Trevor Lawrence, the introductions and the base. Mac Jones had 2 base. And then our nicer SPs, we had this Jalen Hurts, red and blue prism or foil to the Eagles. The Ravens came away with 2 autographs. We have Odafe Owa, and then it's Sweet Tylan Wallace blue out of 50 auto. And then the hit of the night, even though, man, it's in rough shape. I can't believe we pulled this out of a pack like this. This Justin Herbert KABOOM. So not as excited as I would be just because of the bad shape this card's in. But still cool to pull a SP like that. So congrats to Jeff on that pull. And thanks, guys, for participating. We'll get these cards out in the next couple days. Please like us and follow us. And until next time, take care. If you're here for 2021 football mega box mixer, that'll be coming up in like 5 minutes. We'll run a new live feed for that. Thanks.